The US dollar pushed higher again on Monday in what is shaping up to be a critical week for the prospect of US rate cuts, while drawing verbal support from US President-elect Donald Trump. In a surprise change of tone, Trump has demanded that Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa BRICS member countries commit to not creating a new currency or supporting another currency that could replace the dollar or face 100% tariffs. The following is a glimpse of news-making headlines in the international scene.
On Monday, the US dollar was higher after US President-elect Donald Trump warned BRICS nations not to create an alternative currency to the greenback. That marked a shift from his prior advocacy of a weaker dollar to fight trade wars, and the Chinese yuan quickly slipped to a 3-month trough at 7.2662 per dollar, while the Indian rupee hit record lows. The European percent chance it might even ease by 50 basis points on December 12. Media reports suggest that political uncertainty is another drag for the single currency as investors wait to see if France's government can survive the week intact. Meanwhile, UK house prices rose much more than expected in November and at the fastest pace in 2 years, helped by solid wage growth and declining mortgage rates, according to a lender. The price of a typical UK home rose 3.7% year-on-year in November, up from the 2.4% recorded the previous month and marking the fastest rate of annual growth since November 2022. House prices were up 1.2% month-on-month, taking the average cost to €268,144, just 1% below the all-time peak in 2022. Elsewhere, the owner of the UK's largest natural gas storage site has warned of depleted stocks by the end of winter due to early cold weather and a lack of wind power. Citrica, which operates the RAF facility in the North Sea, said stocks could be lower compared to previous years due to higher demand. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.